Box.
I don't even know.
This is what I meant you to do.
Oh. I don't know. Oh. It is a popcorn maker. Why is it so tiny?
What does it say? It says Egofine Hot Air Popcorn Maker. Ooh.
Goose the mooch.
Take it out, hurry up.
Ooh, it is fancy.
Ooh. Does it come with popcorn inside? No. Sucks to be you. I guess
Thank you. Okay.
I guess I'm gonna have to go buy some, huh?
Got it. Ah, this thing's sharp. It hurts. I don't do this thingy.
No, don't do it like that. You're gonna end up breaking it. Because you're doing it wrong. It's supposed to be in these.
I know I am doing it.
You weren't.
I was.
Checking both sides.
This side's good.
Okay, then I'll fix it right now. Don't leave it alone. Keep on taking all the stuff out. You like it?
Yeah.
Tell your mommy, I need popcorn. Are we gonna do this? Are we gonna try something later on?
Yeah. There, you got it in.
Ooh, looks nice, huh? What's that for? The popcorn? Or is it for the butter? Oh, we're gonna find out.
Those ideas.
What does the box say? Read it.
The whole thing?
Part of it, not all of it.
High and fancy hot air popping cook.
Don't tell me you don't know how to read.
Circulation design. Something that makes the popping rate up to 98% in 4 minutes. Healthier, no oil needed by the hot air design.
Yes.
The wiser choice for the
Healthy nut.
for a health nut. Easy to clean. Our popcorn maker body could be whipped easily by a dishcloth.
Okay, that's it. What's that? What else does it say?
Removable cap as a can for butter and sugar, as a measure cup for kernel. Popcorn
Shoot.
guide popcorn into pool.
One off switch. That's all, huh?
Yep. I'm not gonna help us.
Are you gonna get some? Yeah, you can pop it. Go ahead. You popper. Pop it.